We are going to be adding a header and footer that will display on our slides. We're also going to be adding a note, speaker note, to slide 7, and then we're going to be adding a header and a footer that will display on the speaker notes themselves. So we're going to start by going into Insert, and we are going to choose Header and Footer. And we're going to turn on date and time. We're also going to turn on slide number and footer. And in the footer, which is going to display at the bottom of every slide, we're going to key in First Choice Travel Eco Tours. Now, if we did not want this to show on title slides, we could put the check here, but in our case, we are going to allow it to show. We also do want the date updated, so we're going to go ahead and apply this to all of the slides. And so what you're going to see is the date, the slide number, and the footer text that we specified, and it is going to display on all of the slides. Now we're going to go down to slide 7. And this is the one that we are going to add a speaker note to. So we're going to click on Notes. I'm going to just resize this note pane a little bit. And we're going to key in Include additional costs for airfare, local transportation, and daily tours. Okay, so that is our speaker note. And we would like a header that'll display on the notes and the handouts. So we're going to go ahead and click on the header and footer button. And last time we modified what was going to display on the slide, and now we're going to select notes and handouts. And so on the notes and handouts, we do not want the date and time, so there should be no check mark there. We do want a page number. We do want a header. For the header, we want First Choice Travel. And we do want a footer. And for the footer, we want Eco Tours. Okay, and this is only going to show up on our handouts or our speaker note printouts. So we're going to go ahead and click on Apply to All. Okay, so you're not really going to see this unless you print. And I'm going to save the changes here, and we'll go to File and Print. I'm not actually going to print this, but I will show you what it looks like. So let's go to the notes page. And here's where you're going to see the Eco Tours and the page number and the header that we added. Okay, you'll also see those on the handouts. So if you pick any of the handout settings, you'll see them there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the presentation. And you do want to make sure you have saved your changes. Don't worry about printing anything.